Hello everyone, how to calculate profit percentage in Excel. So let's start. So you can see I have data, product list, cost price, sales price, profit. And here I'm going to calculate profit percentage. So what do you mean the profit percentage? The profit percentage shows how much profit you earn compared to the cost price of the product. It helps you understand the profitability of your sales in percentage terms. For example, if product cost is 100 rupees, you earn a profit 20 rupees. Then the profit percentage is 20%. Hope you understood. Let's see how to calculate here. So I select the column and type here profit percentage. Select the sale is equal to select the profit amount divided by cost price. Press the enter and that's it. Here you see 42.86 percentage is your profit percentage of your laptop product. And select the sale, double click on this corner point to fill below details. Okay. Now you can see the all product profit percentage here calculated. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.